Hello everyone, I am Tejas. Today we will be discussing about few topics from database management system. Introduction to SQL data definition. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Understanding SQL data definition is crucial for creating, modifying and managing databases. It involves defining the structure, organization and storage layouts of the data. Overview of data types in SQL. Numeric data types, character data types, date and time data types. First, let's start with numeric data types. Numeric data types in SQL includes integer, decimal, and float, allowing for storage and manipulation of numerical values. Integers are whole numbers and are typically used when you need to store whole numbers without any decimal places. Decimal numbers are used when you need to store numbers with decimal places and can be either fixed point or floating point decimals. Floating point numbers are used when you need to store very large or very small numbers and have a wide range of precision. Character data types. Character data types are used for storing text and include char, varchar, and text, enabling efficient storage and retrieval of textual information. Char is used when you need to store a fixed length string of characters, while varchar is used when you need to store a variable length string of characters. Text is used when you need to store large amount of text and is useful for things like storing articles or blog posts. Date and time data types. Date and time data types in SQL includes date, time, and timestamp, facilitating the storage and manipulation of temporal data. Data Date is used when you need to store a date. Time is used when you need to store a time. And timestamp is used when you need to store both date and time. These data types are useful for things like storing when a record was created or updated, or when a product was added to a catalog. Numeric data types. First one integer, second decimal, third float. First let's start with integer, used for whole numbers without any decimal component. Decimal, allowing for decimal numbers and precision control. Float, representing floating point numbers with a high range of precision. Integer. In database management system, integer data types are used to store whole numbers without any decimal points. The specific name and characteristics of integer data types can vary between different database systems. Some common integer data types are used in popular relational database management system. Decimal. Decimal data type in database management system are used to store numeric values with decimal points. These types are suitable for representing numbers that require precision, such as monetary values. The specific name and characteristics of decimal data types may vary across different database systems. Float. The float data type in database management system is used to store floating point numbers, which are approximate numeric values. These types are suitable for representing numbers with a decimal point that can have a wide range of values. Character data types: char, varchar, and text. Fixed length character data type suitable for storing single or multiple characters. Varchar. Variable length character data type ideal for storing variable length of text. Text for handling large chunk of textual data efficiently. Date and time data types. Date, time, timestamp. Store date values in the format year, month, and date. Time handles time values in the form of hours, minutes, and seconds. Record both date and time in the format year, month, date, hours, minutes, and seconds. Now let's discuss about Boolean data types. Emphasis on validity. Second one is ease of decision making. Emphasis on validity represents true or false values essential for logical comparisons and conditions. Second one, ease of decision making. Facilitate logical operations and simplifies decision making process. Binary data types are of two types, that is first one, binary large object BLOB allows the efficient storage of binary data such as images, audio, or video files in databases. Binary character used for fixed length binary data, suitable for binary file formats and encryption keys. User defined data types. User defined data types allows user to define their own data types based on the specific requirements. Structured type enables the creation of complex data structures for tailored data storage and retrieval. In this slide, we will be understanding how we can choose the appropriate data type. Consider data integrity. Choosing the right data type ensures data integrity and optimizes storage efficiency. Data integrity is a critical aspect of database management, ensuring that data is accurate, consistent, and reliable. There are several mechanisms and practices in database management system to enforce and maintain data integrity. Assess data requirements. Understanding the nature of data and its storage needs is vital for optimal data type selection. Assessing data requirements is a crucial step in data design process. It involves understanding the information needs of an organization or system, identifying data that must be stored, and define how the data will be organized and related. Conclusion. Understanding SQL data types and their appropriate usage is fundamental for effective database management and application development. Thank you.